The relationship between mother and daughter is a special form of matter. And if the daughter decided to arrange a prank war, the weapon for revenge is always at my mother's fingertips. You can add a portion of an invigorating prank in even the best morning. That is, make coffee for your mother. But instead of sugar from the sugar bowl, let's use sugar with a secret additive. What's taking you so long, Mom? Oh, have you already done everything? I just need to fill up the boiling water. Oh my gosh! What is this? Cappuccino volcano? I didn't order so much foam! Look, it's a bubble eruption! Tell me, what did you put in it? It is very easy to prepare a bubbling drink. You will need some vitamin pills for fizzy drinks and instant coffee. Grind the pills to a powder state. Add some sugar. Mix. Add it to coffee. Fizzy powder will mix with sweet particles, and it is almost indistinguishable from ordinary sugar. Pour water in. Psh! The reaction has started! Personal hygiene begins with a trip to the bathroom. And toothbrushing begins with squeezing the toothpaste out on the brush. Ew! Is this paste for a darkening black smile? I wonder if it's all my mother's pranks, or is the paste actually that color? In any case, it's a great chance to make to play your closest and dearest person. You will need an orange. Cut off a piece of peel. Give it the desired shape using a knife. Make an incision in the middle. Scratch teeth in it with the tip of a skewer. Cut the edge with manicure scissors. Wet the activated charcoal pills with water. Grind them to such a condition. Make the gaps between the teeth black. Color a couple of teeth in black too. Insert the orange jaw into your mouth. And here's Mom. Mom, don't you know what happened to the toothpaste? Yellow, half-toothless smile causes real panic in my mother. It's horrible. I ruined my own daughter's teeth. What kind of mother am I? Did you run out of toilet paper? By the way, it's a great reason for a prank. Take toilet paper and a black marker. Draw a long-legged spider. Fill the body with black. Someone is about to get a little surprise. Ah! There's a spider here! Mom, help! Ugh! It's just a drawing. I think I'll wrap the spider back up. It will be great if Mom forgets and gets caught on her spider prank herself. And for one more idea, you will need a box of chocolate truffles and onions. Cut off the part with the tail from an onion. Dilute the cocoa powder with water. String half of the onion on the skewer and dip it in the glaze. Let the glaze freeze and sprinkle the cocoa on top. Switch the candies in the box with onion truffles. If the whole sofa is covered in napkins and tears, it means that Mother is rewatching the Titanic for the 100th time. Rose, can't you just move over and save Jack? Oh, this is the saddest moment. I just can't hold back my tears. Get ready, Mom. Now you'll have one more reason to cry. Give her a plate with chocolate truffles. Mom takes one candy. Then the second, third. Stop! Don't you feel anything? Stop bothering me. Let your mother suffer normally. This iceberg! Where did it even come from? Tonight, we are having not just an ordinary tea time, but a real dinner party. My daughter fully decided to introduce her new boyfriend to me, and she will regret that. Mom is pouring tea and behaves very well in general. But she obviously doesn't like the guy very much. Unlike her best friend's son. That's who is the Prince Charming. Mom pulls the trigger for a long time without thinking. The trigger of a water blaster, of course. Oh, that's not what you were thinking. Oops, the situation is worse than you can think of. Well, the dinner is over, and Where did the guy go so abruptly? What are the important things he has to do? Mom, you ruined everything again. I won't introduce anyone else to you at all. I told you, he's just not the one. Mom needed a water blaster and double-sided foam tape to drive the unwanted guy out quickly. Glue the scotch tape to the blaster. Crop it. Attach the blaster under the countertop, the weapon in full alert. You can expect anything from your adult daughter. But Mother was clearly not ready for such a turn. My girl, did you get bitten by a wasp? Where did these swollen lips come from? For this prank, you need a heart-shaped cosmetic sponge, a wooden spatula, and a binder clip. Cut the heart in half. Trim it with scissors to make it look like lips. Shorten the spatula. Fasten the binder clip and attach it with hot glue from both sides. Glue the lips together. Stick them to the holder. Paint the sponge with a lip gloss. Ooh, that's what's happening! So, why did you do it? Oh, I just felt like it. Look at those gorgeous lips in my selfie! Teenagers do not want to eat healthy fruits, but are ready to devour ice cream 24 hours a day. No ice cream before lunch! In order to prevent Mom from suspecting the disappearance of sweets, use a cunning life hack. Separate the center with a spoon, leaving on the walls about a centimeter layer of ice cream. Eat the middle of the dessert. Close the lid, and it is not visible that someone touched the ice cream. Return the box to the freezer. Sooner or later, Mom will find out that the box is missing. I think I know whose prank it is. No, I had nothing to do with it. Hold on, thief. I'll figure you out anyway. And the daughter is already spinning in front of the mirror and trying on her mother's earrings. Colored ones? No, those are too bright. Are these made of metal? Oh no, they are too heavy. Half rings? No again. And why is there so much old-fashioned jewelry in my mother's box? If it were tunnel earrings, it's time to introduce my mother to modern trends. Take decorative scotch tape and fluffy modeling clay. Mix 2 colors of clay to create a natural shade. Roll it up to make such a thin sausage. Attach it to the roll of scotch tape. Use a concealer to hide it better. Make a tunnel for each ear. Glue the tunnels with medical glue. Sit down on the sofa with your mother as if nothing happened. Mom, as always, is busy with something. Hello? Yes, of course. I remember our meeting. I will be there in 15. Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, I'm not talking to you. What have you done? Oh, did I rip your ear off? These jokes of yours will drive me crazy someday. But Mother also did not waste time and has prepared a prank with a jumping bookmark. She puts the bookmark with a surprise in the book and calls the future prank victim. What, Mom? Do I need to learn? Well, it's such a stress. I hate reading. But what is it? That's a bat in the book. It almost ate me. Oh, it's a jumping bookmark. Oh, Mom. Draw an image of a bat on a piece of cardboard. Cut it out. Make incisions on the sides. Draw a line in the center. Bend the bat in half. Draw eyes and a mouth. Paint the bat with a black marker. Make the eyes yellow and the mouth red. Attach an elastic band to the bat. Try to put such a bookmark in your classmate's book. It will be simply unforgettable. My daughter is in a bad mood. What is the mess on my desk? I put all the things in their places just yesterday. Where did this box come from? Open me. I don't need to be asked twice. Wow, what a surprise! There is only one downside. Everything around is covered with small, shiny garbage. Mom, was this your joke again? Well, you wanted to clean up, didn't you? You can start with the floor. Take a large cardboard box. Cut one of the edges off the lid. Decorate the box with the surprise label. Glue bright hearts. Fill the box with shiny confetti and decorative feathers. Install the lid. Glue a few strips of double-sided adhesive tape. Place the box higher. And don't forget to remove the protection layer from the adhesive tape so that the lid sticks to the shelf. Well, that's okay, Mom. I also have a brilliant idea for a prank. Pour glitter in Mother's umbrella. More sequins! Close the umbrella with the clasp. Oh, Mom, are you already leaving? Take the umbrella. The forecast says it will rain. Mom goes outside. It seems to be starting to rain. Ta-da! Did you mean the rain of sequins? Oh, I declare a day off. I'm afraid the whole office will be in shock from such a brilliant look. Did you like the ideas of pranks for Mom and daughter? Which one of them would you dare to repeat? Write about it in the comments. Put a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to see more ideas from Troom Select.